Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. It's a cardboard box. And inside, there's a surprise. The ant is very curious about what could be inside. Hop Hop is already running to see. And Peck Peck, too. The ant is going to watch from behind a rock. Oh, 3 ants. Hello, little birds.
Hello!
What a heavy box! I wonder what's inside. Turn it upside down. It's wooden toys! Vegetable patches. Vegetables. A watering can. A wheelbarrow. And a spade. Let's plant some cauliflowers.
Plant the cauliflowers!
They're all planted. Oh, the ant is back again. He's stealing a beetroot. Oh, that's not very nice.
Carrots!
They need to plant the carrots too. There. Oh, wait a moment, Peck Peck.
That's a beetroot.
Don't be sad. Plant that in another patch.
Plant it!
Good job. Time to plant the other vegetables. Carrots. And beetroots. Look, we need one more beetroot. You need to look for it. Where could it be? There it is. The ant probably wanted to eat it and took it to the anthill. But it's a toy. You can't eat it.
Let's go!
Plant the beetroot in the toy vegetable patch.
Vegetables!
Peck Peck has found a watering can. He's watering the toy vegetable patch. The vegetables have grown. Time to pick them. Hop Hop has arrived on a tractor. Peck Peck has got a spade and is digging up the vegetables. Oh no! The ant is here again. Stop the tractor, Hop Hop.
You can't eat wooden toys.
But the ant would definitely like a lollipop. Too heavy? Peck Peck will help. There. Enjoy your lollipop, Ant. The little birds are going to clear away the toys. They need to take them all back home so they don't lose any. Goodbye, little birds. The ants are helping each other carry the lollipop.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Hop Hop.
Hello,
What's that?
bubble mixture.
Wow! The little owl is going to blow some bubbles. It's working! The bubbles are floating upwards. The bubbles are floating very high indeed. Higher than the butterflies. Hello there, Peck Peck. Look at all the bubbles. Do you like bursting them?
Peck, Peck, catch this.
Hop Hop is blowing more bubbles, and Peck Peck is going to burst them. Huh. The mosquito has seen the bubbles too. Oh no! It burst one bubble! And another! Peck Peck the woodpecker doesn't want to play with the mosquito at all.
Catch another one.
Have you got a plan, Peck Peck? A net! The woodpecker is going to catch the mosquito. It's not easy, but it's fun. The mosquito is very clever. Peck Peck, can you catch it? And missed. Peck Peck, be careful. Oh, the pot of bubble mixture has fallen over. It's empty. Don't worry, Peck Peck. Hop Hop has got a plan.
Off we go.
The woodpecker and the owl are going to Hop Hop's house. And the mosquito is flying after them.
Water, soap, bubbles.
It looks like the owl has a plan. He'll make some new bubble mixture.
Water, soap.
Hop Hop is mixing soap with water to make
Bubbles. And a straw.
the owl is blowing bubbles. Oh, look how big they are.
Whoa, whoa.
Now it's Peck Peck's turn.
Yeah.
Take the straw. What a huge bubble! The mosquito's back again. The little woodpecker is trying really hard to catch it. Look at that, little birds!
Bubbles!
Lots of bubbles. Peck discovered he can blow bubbles with the net. Now there are so many of them that even the mosquito can't burst them all. Oh, looks like the mosquito is tired. Shall we play some more? Hop blew one big bubble, and Peck blew lots of little ones.
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop the owl.
It's morning. Hop is still sleeping. The mosquito is buzzing. It's disturbing Hop's sleep.
Ouch!
Don't be afraid, Hop. Peck is here. He scared the mosquito who wanted to bite you. Mosquito bites are not fun.
Mosquito!
Hop quietly creeps up on the mosquito. Whack! He flew away! The birdies are chasing the mosquito. Look! He flew out the window. The mosquito flew away. Oops! Be careful, little owl. What is that? Is that your new toy? Peck, that's not a real mosquito. Stop! It's just a drawing on a toy. Peck is chasing a puck with a mosquito on it. Wow! A slide! And there are more pucks with insects drawn on them. Ant, butterfly, ladybug. Let's play. Jump. The puck with the ant rolls down. Now the butterfly. And the ladybug. That's a real ladybug. Wait, Peck, she's a nice bug. Hop, what are you up to? The toy ladybug is going down the slide. Shall we play again?
Butterfly! Ladybug! Mosquito! Ant!
Look, birdies, the mosquito is back. Catch him!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hop Hop is exercising.
Whee!
Jump! Hop Hop is jumping in the ball pit. Hop Hop!
Hi!
Hello! Are you looking for your friend? Here he is, running! Peck Peck has also jumped into the ball pit. Now the birdies are playing together. Waves of balls. What's that?
Peck Peck!
Look, Peck Peck, a surprise. Oops! The surprise drowned. Get it, Hop Hop? Oh, now instead of a little owl swimming in the ball pit, there's a blob of balls swimming. Peck Peck is also looking for the orange surprise. Where did it go? Birdies? They found it! Birdies, do you know what you found?
A ball?
No, that's a ball. Peck Peck thinks it's a balloon. Does it look like one? Not really.
Grape?
No, a grape is small and edible. Bon appetit! Keep thinking. What is it? Have you guessed, Hop Hop? The owl turned on the tablet.
An egg!
That's right, Hop Hop. It's an egg. And in this egg, there lived a baby bird. Then the baby bird hatched and grew up. Mommy birds sit on the eggs, and then baby birds hatch out of the eggs. Where did your orange egg go? Peck Peck is sitting on it. You don't need to sit on toy eggs. Something's rattling inside. Let's just open it.
A boat!
Yes, there was a boat hidden in this toy egg. Let's put the boat into our sea of balls.
Toot toot!
Peck Peck is blowing and the boat is moving. What are those, birdies?
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the Owl. This is Hop Hop the Owl's house. And this is a surprise for him. Hop Hop! Where are you? Can you see him? Come out! We've found you.
Hello!
Hello, little owl. We've got a surprise for you. It's on your window. Do you know what it is?
A flower?
No. When the wind blows, your flower starts spinning. It's a pinwheel.
Pinwheel! Pinwheel!
Go on, try it. Blow. Oh dear. Go and get the pinwheel. We'll repair it. The pinwheel has flown high up on the shelf. Hop Hop needs something to stand on. Well done! Look, Hop Hop is flapping his wings and the pinwheel is spinning.
Pinwheel! Pinwheel!
You're a bit like a pinwheel yourself, Hop Hop. It's time to show your new toy to Peck Peck. Where is he? There he is. Hello, Peck Peck the woodpecker. It's a pinwheel. You need to blow on it. Peck Peck, try running. The pinwheel is turning again. Now it's Hop Hop's turn. Hop Hop is running very fast, and the pinwheel is spinning fast. Oh, little owl, are you tired? bike. What's your idea, Hop Hop? Hop Hop has fixed the pinwheel to the motorcycle. The birds will ride on it, and the pinwheel will spin very fast. A pinwheel! What a wonderful toy!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl! It's raining outside. Who's that looking out of the window? Can you see? Hello, Hop Hop. Look! There are drops of water falling from the sky. The sky is dark, dark gray. But Peck Peck isn't afraid of the rain. He's gone for a walk with his umbrella. How beautiful! The rain clouds are parting and the sky has turned blue. The shower is over. Peck Peck, you can close your umbrella. Oh! Peck Peck has seen some ripe raspberries. Why don't you pick them? You can't carry many on your wing. Whoop, you dropped one. The ant can have that one.
Hello!
Hop Hop has brought an umbrella. If he opens the umbrella and turns it over, it turns into a basket for raspberries. What a lot of tasty, healthy berries! You can take them home, wash them, and eat them. Peck Peck, those are your footprints.
Oh! Dirty!
Now the owl and the woodpecker have to wash their feet after walking on the wet grass. Great job, little birds! Now they need to wipe their feet. The umbrella full of raspberries won't fit through the door. The umbrella is wide, but the door is narrow. Why don't you tip the berries into a bowl? Where do you keep your bowls, Hop Hop? Here's one. Carefully tip the umbrella and pour the raspberries into the bowl. Hold the bowl, Peck Peck. Peck Peck is wiping his feet, too.
Wash the raspberries.
Pour the extra water out of the bowl. Put the raspberries on the table. Don't forget to wash your wings, little birds. Well done, you two! Have a nice meal.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. There's a fishing rod on the road. Butterflies are flying. Peck Peck is chasing it. He wants to catch the butterfly. Peck Peck, watch your step. Careful! Oh no! Are you hurt? You seem okay. This is a fishing rod. You can catch fish with it. Peck Peck wants to catch the butterfly with it. It didn't work, of course. If you want to play with the rod, you need to find fish. Watch carefully. Where can you find fish? In the ball pit. Toy fish are in the ball pit. Oh, the fish are jumping funny. Peck Peck will fish. He casts. You caught a fish! Where can you put it? In a bucket. That's one. Try for a second. Cast. And wait. And wait. A bite. Pull! That's two. Into the bucket. Peck Peck casts once more. It's not coming? So what'd we catch? A duck? That's a catch. Peck Peck wants to show Hop Hop.
Who's there?
Peck Peck.
Hi.
Hi, Hop Hop. Peck Peck brought some new toys.
A ducky.
Hop Hop, What are you searching the box for? A music box. It looks like a lake. Peck Peck hits it like a drum.
Not like that.
Hop Hop shows how to play with the toy. Wind it. Like this. Mommy Duck and Baby Duck spin to the music. The birds are dancing. What a nice musical toy.